All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Benji. Benji. Hey.
Because I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came... Girl.
No. No. Stop it.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
Bruh. Who leg you done took, bro? Oh my goodness. What?
I'm trying to give you your documents. You have to leave.
Bandit, please don't be upset.
You look so handsome. You look really handsome, Benny. Can you look at your mama? He's ignoring me because I took him to the groomer.
Why are you mad at me?
Can I pet your dog? He said no.